The MP5 in a bush.
Nice. You good?
All good, mate.
I'm shooting at some.
Nice. Got one guy straight in the face.
Everyone's pushing up now.
One guy right at the back. Wow.
Oh, hello.
Ah.
Welcome guys, we're back at Phoenix Airsoft in Sherwood Forest. You join us here during a domination game mode where we need to capture the priority zone by placing our team's cone above the enemy's, but more about that later. Right now it is our mission to find this priority zone and kill all hostiles.
Yeah, let's go.
There's a lot of shots up ahead. The compound isn't the high priority zone we're looking for, but there's a lot of bodies here. Me and Joe have found ourselves in quite a nice position overlooking them.
Backside, far corner. Nice. Whoa, Jack. 50 meters, straight ahead. 2 guys, maybe 3. Another one, Jack. Same position, another one, all black.
Joe, where can we go next? We need to get deeper into the woods, really.
So it turns out a select group have been chosen to become mercenaries. This compound belonged to them. I don't believe they were able to leave here, but they were allowed unlimited lives.
Yeah, but there's one more, he's medicing. I think they're down, 2 down, there's one more behind it. He's down. Whoa, fucking hell.
I'm going to move up to this one in front of you on the right.
Yeah, go on.
Taking shots, Joe, from the left. That way.
Did he call that? Yo, Jack, there's a wooden hut.
Yeah.
He's got me pinned. Man.
Is he peeking right side of it?
I've got no eyes.
See the lad in grey? I need to stop wasting shots, me. I'm about to run out.
MP5 behind you, you need to use it, mate.
I'm out. Why the fuck's the MP5 in a bush? Water on got. Yeah, are we moving?
Wait, I got one more here. Yeah, you got it, he called it. One more in front of him. Oh, both down.
I want to get out of here because the fucking guys in that circle bit are in God mode now, so they can't even die.
Just a bit 20 meters from
Yeah, this thing's fucking nice. Where's Stan gone?
Fucking hell.
Joe was struggling to aim down the sight here, as when Mustang threw the MP5 down into the bush behind him, he thought these leaves that got stuck in it were intentional.
Really? Oh, fuck. Fuck. And now I'm double out. I'm out. Bastard.
Yo, Stan, you got an MP5 mag?
Yeah. Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Nice. It's good. Joe.
Oh, fuck.
I'm all out. Oi, Joe. I'm out of bullets.
All out of ammo, then taken out by a BB to the side of the face, we regroup, mag up, and go on one last search for this high priority zone before Index.
Entrance here. Entrance is there.
Okay. Yeah.
I reckon we should go that way. Go wide.
Yeah. Send me one down.
Yeah. Backing around.
Yeah. To be fair though, oi Joe, if we lose this left side, they've got the entrance. So we might get better off getting a position up that way, really.
Yeah.
They're getting slaughtered on this fucking corner anyway, they're going to switch soon. Cam, we're moving. Cheers, man. You good?
All good, mate. Players complain about being shot by a team pistol. Too powerful.
Whoa, we're being watched on the left. Mates, I can't move right now. Nice.
Oh, nice shot. Does that not hurt?
No. I don't think so, mate. I don't even know where you are, bro. You didn't hit me, bro. I'm shooting at someone else. I don't know where, Joe.
Yeah.
Orange! Orange! Orange!
Right, obviously shot at hand. That's
I know, unlucky.
Right, one ghillie in 5-a-side, and one he's like dug in this fucking little rat of a
fuck's
fucking.
sake, hey! Fucking piece of shit gun. Hate this thing. Absolute piece of shit.